Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start now. Shampoo and towel dry hair until roughly 70% damp so serum absorbs. Once done, shake the bottle and draw 0.5 ml into the dropper, placing drops directly on the scalp concentrates active ingredients where you need them. Make 4 to 6 clean parts and apply to each section, hitting thinning areas first. This avoids waste and ensures coverage. You're setting the foundation. Accurate dosing and focused placement matter because they improve contact time and absorption. Now you distribute and activate the serum. Use your fingertips to massage each treated area for 30 to 60 seconds using small circular motions to boost blood flow and product penetration. Make sure the serum is spread evenly across the scalp. If you feel excess pooling, blot lightly with a tissue. Allow the product to sit for 5 to 10 minutes before you style so it can absorb. Do not rinse. Also, use no more than the recommended daily amount to prevent irritation. To finish, let your scalp air dry or style gently. Avoid high heat for about 30 minutes so the formula sets. Store the serum at room temperature away from direct sunlight and follow the labeled frequency. Consistency matters more than quantity. If you experience itching, redness, or burning, stop use and rinse with cool water immediately. If symptoms persist, seek professional advice. One key troubleshooting tip. If product feels oily or flaky, reduce dose and ensure hair is only slightly damp before applying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.